Welcome to 2-Minute English Lesson. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our 2-Minute English Lesson.
Today's question is, when do you feel sleepy?
We will learn how to talk about feeling tired, bedtime routines, and a few useful British expressions.
Liz, when do you usually feel sleepy?
I start to feel sleepy around 10 in the evening by 10:30. I'm ready to go to bed. What about you?
I'm more of a night owl, to be honest. I usually stay up until midnight. Sometimes even later if I'm watching a film.
Oh, that's quite late. Don't you feel tired the next morning?
Absolutely. I always hit the snooze button at least twice before getting up.
Same here. On weekends, I have a lie-in. It's my favorite part of Saturday.
Lucky you. I've got kids, so I'm up at the crack of dawn whether I like it or not.
Oh dear, you definitely need a good cup of tea in the morning, then.
Definitely. A strong cuppa keeps me awake.
So, what makes you feel sleepy apart from bedtime?
Long meetings or reading after lunch. I can barely keep my eyes open.
Same, and when it's raining outside, I just want to curl up under a blanket.
That sounds lovely. Right, now I'm starting to feel sleepy just thinking about it.
Let's look at some new words and phrases from our chat. Night owl means someone who stays up late. For example, Mac is a night owl.
Hit the snooze button means delay getting up. For example, I hit the snooze button every morning.
Have a lie-in means stay in bed later than usual. For example, I love having a lie-in on Sunday. At the crack of dawn means very early in the morning. For example, he wakes up at the crack of dawn.
Cuppa means cup of tea, for example. Fancy a cuppa?
Curl up means get comfortable, like with a blanket. Simple, I like to curl up and read. Well done, everyone. You've learned some great expressions today.
If you enjoyed this 2-minute English lesson, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more English practice.